Hi guys, it's your boy Neil and we're here with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPad Air 7. Now with me, I got the 13 inches version and it has the M3 chip. So yeah, I just got home but I'm really in a hurry to unbox this because it's a present and I can't just wait. So let's get into it. Alright, here we have the iPad and I'm about to unbox this right now. So let's get into it. Yeah. Man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, now we got the star of the show. It looks so beautiful. Damn, this is so pretty. And it's light. I watched a lot of unboxing videos and it wasn't really looking like it was going to be light, but it's much lighter than I expected. So. Ooh, that is beautiful. Wow. This is beautiful. I already got my fingerprint on it, but it's still beautiful, man. Damn. So yeah, let me power it up right now. Yeah. So yeah, in the box we got the iPad itself, and here we got some, I think these are instructions. Yeah, like a manual. And we got a charging brick. I don't know the wattage. Okay, 20 watts charging brick. And we have a braided cable, C to C. That's all we get in the box. Looking good. And yeah. All right, so here I got my accessories in this nylon. I got this from AliExpress. Yeah, because you all know I ain't crazy rich. So yeah, I just got like some slightly affordable stuff. Yeah. I got a knockoff Apple Pencil. Like, it actually has the Apple logo and all, but it's not actually from Apple. And I got the ESR case. So yeah, I'll be starting with the pencil. Unboxing the pencil first. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, yeah, the Apple Pencil Pro knockoff from AliExpress. It's not the genuine one, it's just one of them ones, because ain't no way I'm paying 129 bucks for this. So yeah, I've never had an Apple Pencil before, so I won't really know if this feels original or not. So yeah, here we have designed by Apple in California, but we know for sure this was made in China. So yeah, and here is the pencil. This is the pencil Pro. Yeah, and now here's my iPad. I know that the genuine ones, it's meant to show something when it attaches to your iPad, so perhaps let's see how this works. Yep, and see, it works like the original. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, works like original, man. This is fantastic. Yeah, that's the pencil. And yeah, onto the case now from ESR. Damn. But yeah, this is the case from ESR. Let's get in there. I got a black case because yeah, why not? Yeah, this is the case. It looks good, feels good. Yeah, now let's test it on the iPad. This is what comes in it. Some instructions, and I think a tutorial on how to set it up. I ain't reading all that. So yeah, pop that in, and yeah, that fit perfectly. I just panicked a little bit, but yeah, it's good. Yeah, looks good. Looks good, and yeah, this is how it is. I don't know if this is how it should be, but like, I definitely gotta check out those instructions. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My Apple Air M3 Generation 7 iPad, 13-inch, and all the accessories I got with it. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on the iPad and when I set it up and how it's gonna serve me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to see more unboxing videos like this. Ciao.